sorry, but my English not the best. Okay, I will try to להחזיר. כי פעם דיברתי טוב.
Retrieve.
כן, my English. And I have from Akko. I'm born here in Akko, and I grew up here in Akko also. And at the eight years ago, I meet this kind of theater, Playback Theater. Did you know what is it?
No.
The Playback Theater.
Who doesn't know? But
is
I need
no, okay. The Playback Theater it also grew up from New York. Okay, Jonathan Fox and Joe Sales.
Salas, yeah.
Yeah, they طوروا فتحوا developed. Okay, this kind of theater. I meet this kind. I say is 8 years ago, and all my life, all my mind has been changed when I start to go more and more to meet this kind. And at Mayo 2021, when it was war,
when it was burning here.
burning here. Okay, this idea has been the idea to make a mixed group, Arab and Jewish, especially in theater, because in theater we start to learn to listen. זה לא להקשיב, לא לשמוע, להקשיב. יותר, זה לא...
pay attention.
Not to read, איך אומרים לשמוע ולהקשיב?
להקשיב.
Yeah, like what you're saying, and not just to hear, but to really listen, to
Yeah,
really pay attention
to
to
listen.
what you're saying.
Each other from inside, not to listen just. And
Yeah.
4 years we are together right now. We meet the conflict. We grow up with the conflict. So we didn't care how you think or what you are believe. So just we invite נפגשים.
We meet.
Wow,
נפגשים.
we meet each other to make artists, to make a theater. You will now meet the now we're gonna meet some of the group women. This is an Israeli model, so אל תתרגשו, אוקיי? זה טבעי פה. וזהו, בואו ניכנס.
I just want to
דיברתי
say,
יותר מדי.
לא, דיברת נהדר. I just want to say a few words about the playback, that it's an interactive thing that has to do with becoming the story that is being, the script is being on the spot.
תכף גם, כן, תכף גם תמר תסביר בדיוק איך עושים את זה גם. You're welcome.
Thank you.